Okay, so thanks for checking out last week's episode. Streaky Bay, absolutely epic spot. So much to see around there. Yeah, so this week I'll be heading out of South Australia, going down the southern route. Going to check out a few spots along the Flow Peninsula that I missed on my way through. So come check it out with me. So I'm just popped back to Port Wollonga. The first time I was here it was absolutely beautiful, but I didn't actually take any photos or video. I was too busy enjoying the coastline and the beach and stuff. Thought I'd come check out these caves. It's not the best weather for it, but quite a cool little vibe out here. Okay, so just rocked up in Second Valley. To be fair, I didn't see the first one, but the second one seems pretty epic too. Let's go see what all the hype is about. Okay, so final stop on my South Australia road trip, Mt Gambier. Now coming into Mt Gambier I had some pretty hectic issues. Well, pretty much complete disasters truck. I drove into some gale force winds which popped the couple of straps on the pop top, and I think it's bent the poppers as well. The winds have been so strong they've actually started to detach some of the Sikaflex that's holding the solar panel down as well, so I'm lucky that didn't lose itself. So I've got some ratchet straps. I've got one holding down the solar panel, one holding the roof, the pop top down, and I guess I'm just going to try and limp it to the nearest, I guess, sheltered spot until these winds hopefully stop. Well, finally found a bit of shelter, but basically what I had was this half of the roof had popped up and the wind was coming full steam ahead this way, and I couldn't for the life of me pull it back down and get it to stay down even with these little straps. See, that one's so I'm trying to throw this one over the roof. I've held on by this handle right now, which to be honest I don't really trust, so now that I'm going to try and chuck this over the roof again. But yeah, I thought I was going to lose the whole roof, to be honest, for a little bit there. Yeah, just limped myself to Mt Gambier at sort of during nightfall and woke up there and went to Bunnings, the only place that was going to be open on a Sunday, and set to work repairing. So I've used this flappy disc on my angle grinder, which I luckily already had, to grind off all the old mounts, or at least get them down to like kind of a clean surface. Okay, so I've got some aluminium now, cut it to size and gave it a quick coat of black paint because you gotta make it look pretty. So things have gone worse. While I was in the toilet, someone stolen my cut and drilled L brackets that were just sitting here for whatever. Weirdly enough, I've found the culprit. Parked in the spot next to me, so now I have to wait for them to come back and have an interesting conversation. Got them back. They, yeah, a bit of a weird explanation, but back to mama. I've got my new frame on. I had to do this beautiful cut here, which obviously I'll fill with silicone to stop those rubbing. But now it's time to get it back up on the roof and hope the rain stops. To be fair though, so far today's MVP, this trolley rack. Used it as a ladder to climb up onto both sides, and as a bit of a workbench. And then this car pulls up and I'm like, oh fuck, is security going to kick me out? So where am I going to go? And these absolute legends, Tom and Lauren, get out, and Tom's a panel beater and he's got stuff at home, and he's taken my rear popper home to see if he can bang it out, and have just offered their hospitality and stuff. So yeah, let's see you go. Oh my god. Yes, absolute angel showed up and straightened up the old popper. So I actually got a little bit overcome with emotion there. So I made it to Mt Gambier 2 nights ago. So yeah, gonna go check out all the sinkholes and stuff, despite the weather, and see what Mt Gambier has to offer. So we're here at some more cool geology, that Umpiston sinkhole. There's limestone underneath here. Limestone's more conducive, what's the word? Limestone erodes faster, basically. So as water and fluids and stuff have been flowing through the rock, the limestone underneath, the harder rock on top's eroded, creating a bit of a cavern underneath it. Now that's eventually sort of given way, I guess, and we've got this really beautiful garden. Wow. Okay, and that's a wrap for my South Australia trip. Next roadie is going to be off to Tassie, so pretty pumped about that. Going to try and give you guys the ultimate 2-week road trip guide down there. So don't forget to subscribe if you want to see that, and give it a like if you liked the video. Cheers.